Come on you girls! Sabaw's ready! So ito yung lagay natin sa sabaw. Then we have here the radish with pinirito na. So this time, tita, magawa tayo ng radish. Ayan o. Yan, sobrang laki. Baskugan. So, ganyanin lang natin balat. Okay? Hugasan natin. Mahirap siya kung ganyan-ganyanin mo pa, tita. Ganyan-ganyan. Smaller. Mas easier na lang like this. Have a look. Ganyan na lang ako yung Yan. I-keep naman natin ito for the next day. So, let's check na yung ating baboy dito kung okay pa ba siya. O, yan, pula-pula na. So, ibalik lang natin ng konti. Balik ka rin lang. Para at least yung the other side is a bit crispy naman. O, yan. Tapos, ibalik. And then, nagsabaw din tayo dito. Ito yung mga bones na natira ng kagabi. Naghumba kami. So, yung mga buto-buto, iniwang ko siya. Kasi ang purpose ko is to make sabaw na this morning. Kinamatisang buto-buto ng baboy. So, ito yung lagay natin sa sabaw. Ate! Can you give me tanglad, please? Super gutom na po, tita. Ang oras na. Para ito sa ating radish. Okay. Tanglad. Ay, naku, dugangi man ni Bibi. Ay, ba mga laya pag-ed. Sino ba? Ako siguro na. Espiritu katanglad. Okay, pwede na yan. Tingnan natin kung pwede na. Okay, perfect na, tita. So, mag-start na tayo dito. Lagyan natin ng lemon. Ayan. Very juicy. 1 hour panakot. Perfect. Sili. And then last. Voila! Slicein natin ng maliliit yan. Yan. Bakit may natira? Ay, sa ating sinabawan, tita, lagyan natin ito, may gabi. So, pwede na yan siya. Perfect. Asluman natin para masarap. Panglumsa na po yung mga dry na tanglad. Mga sanga-sanga ng ating bok choy. Unahin natin. Maliit lang na sabaw. Okay na yan siya. Nahulog na natin ang mga dahon. So, pwede na ito, tita. Look at the bone, oh. Come on, you girls! Sabaw's ready! Sabaw. Kunin natin yung tanglad. Wash your hands, ka! Come on! Come on, no, have a try. Wanna try, Ding?
Oh, that's so good.
Is that spicy?
No.
Huh?
No. Hindi spicy gani. Hambal ko gani hindi spicy.
No rice.
Oh,
We don't have rice. We don't have a life.
Life is in the microwave.
Oh, okay. I got our life. Our rice.
Where can we bring your life down? Your rice. Oh, higop sa mga tita. Ready na po. Yan yung ating sinabawan. And then we have here the radish with pinirito na yung in-air fry natin na
Sorry,
pork.
I took the best part of it.
How is it?
Good.
100 yes.
Higop na siya. Dali na.
This is the. I will get this to 15.
Oh, this is the best, tita. Look. Ito my favorite.
My
You can have this one down.
Yay! Thank you.
Alright, let's eat. Slowly na maghigop na. Dumadala man ako dili da.
I like the sabaw, so I must eat fast.
Slow lang kay madunlan. Sa akin itong bukog.
Mom, I really like the crackle on the pork.
Mhm.
It's the best part. I have my last bite. Kaunata!
Kaon na ta.
Can I have some? It's bone.
Kaon na ta, te.
Mom, after this, can we make carioca?
Ha?
Can we make carioca after?
What karaoke?
You know, it's like the glutinous rice flour and the coconut milk or cream mixed together to make like these little balls. You fry them, and then you have water and sugar to put them, and you like cover them with water, sugar, and then you put them like they're barbecue. Can we make that? Hello, everyone.
Nakaon ko diri.
All I just want you to do is just fry them because I can't fry any food yet. So can you fry the balls when I make them today?
Tomorrow.
Okay.
Mm.